Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show, and this time we're painting my nails as usual. I actually picked out this amazing color by China Glaze, and it's my ultimate favorite nail polish. It's just so perfect, and it's such a shame that I'm actually running out of this nail polish. It's such a perfect color for any season, and whenever you have it on your hands, it doesn't really matter if your nails are long or shorter. It's just very pretty color. It's very complimentary, and I think it looks awesome on any skin tone because it has different undertones that you can see definitely on the video. It's kind of like neon, but it's not neon color. I love it. I think that I actually messed up in this video so much, and by messed up I mean by flooding my cuticles. Yes, it's so ridiculous, but honestly, I just cleaned it up. I will have it linked in the description box below on how I clean up my manicure to make it look perfect, so you can definitely check that out. And whenever I do these nail shows, I always have that linked in my description box, and definitely my description box is always filled up all the info that you guys need and that I think that you can find useful on my channel. So yes, just a little something to keep in mind. And here I am applying the second coat, and as you can see, I'm having a little bit trouble with it because, as I said, I'm running low on this nail polish, but I wanted to paint my nails with it so bad. Also, I uploaded my nail care routine. You can find it on my channel, and I will have everything written in the description box, and also I will add the cards at the end of the video so you guys can check it out and watch if you haven't already. It's basically my nail care for my long and strong nails, so don't miss out if you want any tips. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I am preparing a video on how to not break a nail because that was requested, and honestly I was just preparing it as well, so why not? I cannot wait to finish that video because I'm filming a little parts of it so that I can combine everything into one. If you have any requests or anything like that, please let me know in the comment section below. I do read my comments and I do reply to you guys. I love talking with you. It's just so nice to know that my YouTube family has my back and that you guys are here and you're actually listening, which is so awesome. I'm so glad that there is like 17k of us on my channel. What? Thank you so much. I cannot wait for our YouTube family to grow and we can get bigger and bigger and just interact because this is our channel. It's not just mine, it's ours. These are all the people who love the similar things that I do, so all of us are here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments. Please, I do love hearing your feedback. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with a friend who also loves this type of videos. And I will talk with you in my next one. Bye!